Hey, what's up? Colby Sharp, 5th grade teacher, Michigan. Welcome to my channel. We're trying to help kids fall in love with reading. You are watching my weekly unboxing of kid lit book videos. And if you've watched before, you know the drill. I open books, talk about them, and you let me know down in the comments which books you are adding to your to-read list so we can build our to-read stacks together. So let's have some fun. All these books were sent to me by publishers, authors, illustrators, or friends. Let's see what we have. This is from Harper Stacks. It is a special delivery. Let's see what is so special about this. Starting with The Silence That Binds Us by Joanna Ho. In the face of injustice, will you speak up or stay silent? I hope you will speak up. Doesn't it look awesome? Looks like a young adult book. Yes, grades 9 and up. Swim Team, Small Waves, Big Changes, graphic novel. It looks really, really, really cool. I'm going to show you an interior spread so you get a feel for what we're looking at here. It says a splashy contemporary, that's clever, splashy, middle grade novel, perfect for fans of Jerry Craft and Kwame Alexander. Bree can't wait for her first day of middle school. That's exciting. The only elective that she fits in her schedule is the dreaded Swim 101. Probably going to add this very soon. Full color graphic novel. Yay. Well, that's a great start. Small Town Pride, Phil Stamper. All right. Jake is just starting to enjoy life as his school's first openly gay kid. While his family and friends are accepting and supportive, the same can't be said about everyone in the small town of Barton Springs, Ohio. Come on, Ohio. Come on. But that looks really good. A Year to the Day. Every ending has a beginning. Robin Benway, National Book Award winning author here. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. All right, thank you, Harper. That looks really good. That graphic novel is definitely going to the top of the to-read list. Let's go. Let's see. We have some facts here from Bloomsbury. Let's see what they have for us this week. 3 picture books, it looks like. Starting off with First Notes of Spring. Oh, that's perfect for right now. First Notes of Spring. A new spring comes with a bang. Very fun. Very, very fun. Next up, Your Planet Needs You. Isn't that the truth? Kids Guide to Reducing Waste and Recycling. We have Earth Day coming up. I need to make a video, like some of my favorite books for Earth Day. This book, maybe this book will make the list. We'll see. Oh, it's cool. Go Earth Day. And What the Dinosaurs Saw. Life on Earth Before Humans. Dinosaurs, Titanic, never go out of style. Kids are always into those things. Also, 9/11 is becoming a topic that kids are fascinated by. That looks like a winner right there. That's going in the dinosaur bin. I believe it's tub 71 in my classroom. Very exciting. All right, we'll put on a couple of singles here. Let's see what we have. Another picture book. Ooh, this looks amazing. Abdul's story. I want to see inside. See inside what we got. Wow. Beautiful. All right, let's see what's next. Ah! Looks like we have a chocolate here. Cress Watercress. From a guy who wrote Wicked. Probably heard of him. Beautiful, beautiful cover. All right, let's see. Here we have a big box that's very light, so it's probably going to have some bubble wrap in here. Failed the Earth Day test. That is a lot of bubble wrap. There's one book in there. All right, let's see what we have. My Big Book of Outdoors. Well, that sounds like a fun title. Celebrate the wonder of nature in 4 glorious seasons. Let's see where we open up to. It's beautiful. Big Book of Outdoors. Okay. So we have here. Don't cut ourselves. That would make for a very interesting video. one. All right, new book in the Cynthia Lord series, Marco Polo Brave Explorer. Doesn't that look fun? A little illustrated chapter book here. Meet the Book Buddies, toys that can be checked out from the library, just like books for the Book Buddies. Every borrowing is a new adventure. I don't know if you can hear it, but upstairs I can hear my son is playing We Don't Talk About Bruno on the Alexa, so sorry if that's distracting. I'll go and come back. Ooh, Rajani LaRopa, LaRocca. She just won a Newbery honor for Red, White, and Whole, right? Yes. It's very exciting. Congratulations. Mama and Mommy and Me in the Middle. Oh, that looks awesome. 1 second. We have a little... It happens every time I make one of these videos. We have a bit of a issue with the hot water heater. So the issue is it just turns on. So my bad. Oh, my bad, Mr. Shoe! And his friend, Veronica Miller Jameson, they have created a picture book together. I have talked about this, I believe, on this channel in different places. Huge fan of Mr. Shoe, and there's a poster inside. Check this out. Oh, go Mr. Shoe! Go Veronica. Beautiful end papers. That's your little pinwheel end papers. What a refreshing read this book is, because school has been so weird the last couple of years. This book is a great reminder of what school can be, what school is, what we missed about school, and what we hope is coming back into our classrooms and our communities. I wrote the educator guide for Candlewick Press for this book. It was really fun. So congratulations to John and Veronica on this beautiful, beautiful book. I cannot wait for it to enter the world very soon and get into the hands of millions. Maybe millions, thousands, hundreds of thousands, a lot. Mr. Shoe talks to lots of kids, so a lot of people are gonna get a chance to experience this book. This is a school. So proud of my friend, let's go. All right, what do we got next here? Let's see, from Learner. This is a very fun box. Paper, probably a better choice in the boxes, but you know, we all can take baby steps here. Let's see what we get from Learner. This one looks cool. Miss Hamilton. One Woman's Case for Equality and Respect. Wow, looks gorgeous. Whoa. Usually I just like to show one spread, but I want to see one other thing. I don't know what to show you. It's so amazing. Show that one. Miss Hamilton. Carol Boston Weatherford, Jeffrey Boston Weatherford. Exciting. Today is different. Okay. Oh, look at that. Let's go. Looks like it's going to be a good year for picture books from Learner. Make Way for Animals, A World of Wildlife Crossings. That's fascinating. And look, they're like crossing with the man-made overpass there. Should turn just right to that book. Oh, and look. Oh, I'm so excited to read this book. It's so interesting. I should read this one tonight. Very excited. All right. In Adventures of Dr. Sloth. This woman is a doctor of sloths. I have the perfect reader for this book. He is now a 6th, 7th grader. But he was obsessed with sloths. I know his mom, so I'm going to send her a message. That's so exciting. Go nonfiction. Oh, look at this one. Rumble and Roar, Sound Around the World. Ooh. Oh, it's just breathtaking. Way to go, Learner. This is a pretty MVP box here. MVP, Most Valuable Books. We Belong, Laura Purdy Salas, Carlos Velaz Aguilera. I love Laura's work. This is so exciting. I have so many books to read tonight. Yay, congratulations to them. All right, we have books more. We're not gonna open all of them today because we gotta get to reading. All right, looks like we got something fun here. Oh, that cover is so cool. Let's go. Look at this cover. 13,000 feet below the ocean surface lies the midnight zone. Home to a cunning hunter known as the Sea Devil of the Deep. Now, seriously, how great is that cover? 10 out of 10, no doubt about it. Just a little peek inside. I love that cover. A Good Place. Lucy Cousins, doesn't she have such unique art? Seriously. Very exciting. All right, let's do a couple more. And let you get back to reading your own books. Okay, these Rick Presents books are always coming, so I must be doing pretty well. Not a huge fantasy or mythology reader, and I haven't had a ton of kids read these, probably because I don't read them enough, so maybe this would be a good place to start. This is book 5 in this series. Lots some catching up to do. All right, we'll do a couple more. This is with Earnmans. They always have such beautiful books. A Perfect Spot. Oh wow, look at that art. Hope you're finding good picks in here of books that you want to read. Okay, we have this here from Penguin. Random House. Oh. Well, this one got notes in it. We got some stuff here, folks. I'm gonna make sure we don't make a mess. Oh, there go all my boxes. So we have a bookmark from Lauren Woke. There we have her Newbery Honor winning book and her Scott O'Dell winning book, which is the best historical fiction book. We have this little quote: "A good deed doesn't erase a bad one, but it's worth a lot." That's true. This like it was made for Instagram. Look at that square. Uh-oh, a sequel to Wolf Hollow. Oh my, folks. A sequel to Wolf Hollow. Well, isn't that dandy? And a letter from Lauren. Not like to me, but to everyone who got this package. Pretend it's to me. It says, "Dear book lovers." So Wolf Hollow captured the hearts and minds of so many readers. And a sequel, My Own Lightning. Maybe I should like listen to this, like do a reread, but through audio before I read this, because it's been a while. I read this like right when it came out and it was so good. That's exciting. Wow. All right, we got 2 more little packages and then 2 bigger boxes. So let's do the 2 little packages, the singles, and then we will save the bigger boxes until next week. Next time I film one of these, I'll be on spring break. How exciting is that? Oh, this is fun. Kick, Push, Be Your Epic Self. I read this when it was FG. Check that out. It's beautiful. I'll show you. I love Frank Morrison's work. I love Frank Morrison's work. His art in Above the Rim, that Elgin Baylor story, so super good. All right, one last little package here. We don't talk about Zara's rules for record-breaking fun. Rule number 1, Zara's in charge of the neighborhood games. Rule number 2, some rules were made to be broken. Dun, dun, dun. It's exciting. People love her books. People love her books. So I love this one right here. More to the story. I actually talked to her for the Yarn podcast about that book. So there you have it, folks. A lot of great books. Hope you're finding some that are great to you. Be sure to let me know in the comments which ones you're added to your to-read list. My name is Colby Sharp. Hope you have an awesome-tastic day.